In this video, I will show you on how to add a confetti in your thank you pages, just like this one. Okay, to get started, punta ka po sa confettipage.com and ilagay ko na lang din po yung link ng page na ito sa description ng video natin. And pagdating mo dito, i-click mo lang itong add confetti to your page. Click that button, tapos enter the URL of your page here. Place there. And then next is to choose the confetti colors. There you go. Ano ba yung colors ng confetti natin? I want this color red. Another one is may pagka-yellow. You can customize the confetti colors here and you can add your color if you want. There you go. And next is choose an animation. And then you can choose like fireworks like that, pop, spray, sprinklers, right, fountains. So sa sprinkles, mas okay to sa akin. And next is choose density. Dito sa density, gano'n ba kadami yung gusto mong i-add na mga confetti? Like this. Ayan. Yung size, you can adjust. Small, di ba? Lumiit siya or big. Yan, for me, enough na to. And then, i-click mo itong publish button. So, here, you have choices. You can get the confetti code, pero meron siyang watermark na confetti sa page mo. Or another one is, you can get the code without watermark. So, this is a lifetime pro plan. So, starting at $39, one-time payment. So, if you want to add a confetti on your page and without a watermark, I highly choose to get their lifetime pro plan. But in case you just want to see it and try it on your page, then you can click here and click the get free confetti code with watermark. So for this video tutorial, I will choose this one. Just enter your best email address here and then click the passwordless registration button. And now check your email. So here I receive an email from Confetti page. Andito yung aking Gmail account and then I need to click this link to confirm my account. And then on the next page, I need to input again or provide my email for confirmation. And then the next step is to continue with our unsaved confetti. So let's install this confetti on your website. Click here again for the free confetti code and enter the website URL. Click next. And here's another prompt ready to reveal the free code. You just need to check this one. Please confirm. I understand the code will only work on funnel books. So you cannot use the same code for different website. So one code for one website. I understand that once I reveal the code, I cannot edit it anymore. I understand free confettis has animation by confettipage.com. So there will be a watermark on your page or a confetti page badge on that page where you are going to use the confetti. But you can remove the badge if you are going to upgrade. Okay? Click this one and click the reveal free confetti code. On the next page, you will have your confetti code, your free confetti code. And you just need to click the button here to copy the code. And let's go back to our system.io. In your system.io sales funnels, add the confetti code to your thank you page. Okay, click that one and then click edit page. So let's preview first. So this is the page without a confetti, as you can see here. And then now we are going to add the confetti code. Just go to the settings, click that one, and then scroll down, go to edit header code, click that one, and then here in the paste it or control V, this is for our confetti page, and then click save button, click save. Now we are going to preview, click the eye icon, and there you go. Yay, so nice. Since we are using the free confetti code. Alright, if you gain value from this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and leave a comment below if you have questions. For more System.io tips and tutorials, you can check on this playlist.